Hey guys, what's up? My name is Alexis Oakley and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done a sit down video like this in such a long time and it's so good to be back. I feel like I took a little bit of a break from YouTube, but we are back, baby, and I could not be more excited to share this Princess Polly haul with you guys today. I have been getting so many questions about the outfits that I've been wearing recently and outfits that I wear just for going out and to bars and to see friends, and also outfits that I wear to work as well. As you guys know, I'm a celebrity makeup artist based in Los Angeles and I love dressing comfortable for work. That is like one of the #1 things whenever I am going on set and things like that. I always have to be comfy, but of course I want to look cute as well, and I feel like there's so many pieces on the Princess Polly website right now that are cute, that are comfortable, and that are also work appropriate. My cat is literally moving my tripod right now. I picked out a bunch of pieces from the website that are perfect for fall. The weather's starting to get a little colder, even in LA, which I'm super excited about. Hi, baby bae. She hates whenever I film because I'm not giving her all the attention. Cannot stand that I'm talking to you guys right now and not her, so she's gonna come hang out with us. It's like in the 70s today in LA, which I know isn't technically sweater weather, but whenever you're jaded by the hot weather all the time, this is the perfect time to wear a sweater. So this is actually what I wore to my dry bar appointment that I just got back from, and it was so comfy, so cozy, so cute. I also got so many compliments on it. I'll share exactly what I'm wearing here in a little bit whenever we get into this video, but all of the pieces that I will be showing you guys in today's video will be linked down in the description, so if you want to shop any of them, be sure to check that out down below. Also, be sure to use my code ALEXISO for 20% off of your order. All orders ship from the US, and if you spend over $50 US, then you get free shipping, which who doesn't love? Literally every time I shop from the website, I always make sure to spend over $50, which honestly is so easy because everything is so freaking cute, which, like, seriously, I'm telling you guys, it is so easy to do. I also really love them because they offer AfterPay. I am the queen of last minute shopping. I feel like I'll look on my calendar a week prior and realize that I have an event like Friday and it'll already be Monday, and I'll panic. I won't have time to go to the mall, anything like that. And I love that I can just get on the website and know that I will find something for any occasion. It doesn't matter if it's something fancy or something casual. Like if I need sweats, it does not matter. I can always trust that I'm gonna find something cute on there. And it arrives within 3 to 4 days, which is so convenient and like so necessary to find websites like that if you're like me and wait till the last second to find outfits and then you like cry looking in your closet because you don't have anything. You know the drill. You get it. So I love that I can count on Princess Polly whenever it comes to stuff like that. So I just want to give a huge thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to work with them, and this is honestly such a dream, and I know you guys are gonna love this video just as much as I have loved trying on all these clothes. So let's get into it. So as you guys can see, this is the first piece that I'm wearing, and it's just this white knit sweater. I actually wore this out a little bit ago to run some errands and go to dry bar. As I mentioned earlier, it is starting to get a little cooler in LA, but it's still not like cozy fall weather vibes yet, unfortunately. Hopefully soon. It was like high 60s, low 70s this morning, and I felt like it was perfect timing to pull out my sweaters, so I wore this. I love that this is on the thinner side because it's really hard to wear thick sweaters whenever you live somewhere like LA where it's not freezing cold. It's definitely very breathable and light. I actually got so many compliments whenever I was wearing this sweater out today, and I actually just paired this with a light wash pair of jeans and my Uggs, and it was just so cute, so cozy. I'm so obsessed with it. I also really love the material of this sweater because I feel like so many sweaters that I wear are so itchy, and as I mentioned before in this video, I have to be comfy and I cannot wear itchy sweaters. I don't care how cute it is, I don't care what brand it is, I cannot wear itchy sweaters. And I love that this is so soft. It doesn't bother me whatsoever. I feel like most of the time I don't even wear sweaters because of that reason, because it's very hard to find ones that have the material that I like, and they definitely killed it on this. I also really love that it's a little cropped here because I feel like it just helps to make it more flattering. Sometimes sweaters can be very baggy and oversized and big, and they're very cute for a moment, but I love that this is cropped. It's not dragging down because especially with white, it can get so dirty so easily. So I love that it's like out of the way. I still have access to my hands. This would be a perfect sweater to wear to work. Sometimes it's hard for me to wear really oversized things whenever the sleeves are really long. I love a long sleeve, but for work it's really hard because I just get makeup all over it and it's like I'm constantly pulling my sleeves up, and with this, I don't even have to. It's out of the way and I don't have to worry about adjusting my clothes constantly at work and in front of my clients. I really try to find outfits that are just comfortable and easy, and I don't have to mess with things like that. So this would be perfect for work or for a date night or to run errands, like literally anything. This is gonna be my new favorite fall sweater. Okay, this is my next piece, and it's just this long shirt. It's a button down. I love the color of it. I think it's so pretty. I feel like this would be really cute to wear buttoned up with a skirt or jeans, or I really love the idea of wearing just like a tank top and jeans and then keeping this open, almost like a flannel vibe. I really love the material of this as well. It's extremely soft, and I just think the color is so cute. I feel like this would just work well with anything. Living in LA, it's really important to have things that are really light like this, because even in the fall and winter during the day, it's a lot warmer and nice, and then at night it gets really cold. So it's really important to always have something that you can just throw on. So I really love wearing things like this, especially in the fall here. And then speaking of jackets, I actually did get a trench coat. I feel like I've been wanting a really nice trench coat for such a long time, and I've never found one that I'm really obsessed with because they're all so heavy. This is so cute. It's super light. It's not bulky whatsoever. I actually brought this on my trip to Paris that I just got back from and wore it over there, and it was perfect. And I also feel like a trench coat just dresses up any outfit. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I literally wore this in Paris and I didn't even realize that the tag was still on it. So we're gonna take that off immediately. At least it was like on the inside, nobody saw, but how embarrassing would that have been if this was like on the outside and someone clocked me for that. I was getting so much style inspo whenever I was in Paris because I feel like it's very much the vibe there to be comfy, to be casual, but to also still be on trend and cute. Lots of layers are super popular, so you could literally wear that last item that I showed, the green shirt. You could keep that buttoned down or buttoned up with a tank top or something, and then put the trench coat on top. I think would be so cute, and I feel like it's very Parisian chic. Like, I'm telling you, the girls over there have the best style. I came back and ordered more items from Princess Polly because I wanted to stay on trend still, and I just got so much inspo from them. So I feel like this trench coat I will definitely be wearing a lot this fall and winter. I also just love the color of this. I feel like tans and browns are really making a comeback this fall. I feel like browns used to be almost like mom vibes, and now browns are like cool. Like, you're a bad bitch if you wear neutrals. So I'm really excited to wear this more. Next item is another sweater, and this is really cute. It's black, it's not too thick. It's a little thicker than this one, I will say. This material is a little bit more like knitted and see-through almost, whereas this is like very solid, but it's not too heavy. I also really love that it's cropped. I feel like this would be so cute with like high-rise jeans and some fun jewelry, heels, or a sneaker. Like, this is such a versatile piece. I love a good basic, and I feel like this is the perfect basic. I also really love that the sleeves are flared. I think that's so fun for more of a night out or something like this, because this is one of those items where you could really wear super casual during the day, or you could really dress this up for nighttime. I love a crop sweater. Still staying on the theme of like sweaters and jackets, I got this flannel, and I could not be more obsessed with this, you guys. I love nothing more than flannels. Like, part of the reason why I love fall is so that I can wear flannels and get like a pumpkin spice latte or a chai or something like that. And I love these colors. I think the cream and the navy are so cute. I also feel like navy is about to be one of the colors this season. I feel like last year it was like the browns, the neutrals, and then the pop of color, if you will, was forest green. And I feel like this year it's about to be navy. I will say, I didn't come up with that on my own. One of my clients said that, and she's a very trustworthy person whenever it comes to fashion and very in with the trends and in with the know. So I can't take credit for coming up with that idea, but because she said it, I was like, okay, immediately I need something navy. Also, this would look really cute with my makeup how it is with the red lip. Kind of living for it. I feel like it's really hard to find a good flannel as well, because I love a flannel that's not too structured. I love it to be more baggy and loose and oversized, and this is a really nice one, but it's also thick enough where it's gonna still keep you warm. I feel like some flannels are too thick, and then I feel like some flannels are too thin, and this is just like the perfect in between where you could wear this and not really need a jacket over, and it's still gonna keep you warm, but you're not gonna be like dying sweating in it either. You guys are about to see me in this flannel a lot, I can tell you that right now. Now let's take a little bit of a break from the sweaters and the jackets and the flannels and move into skirts. I got two skirts from Princess Polly, and I think this is so cute. I love this gray color. I think it's really pretty. I love skirts so much. I feel like they're super flattering for my body type. I feel like they're just really cute and fun, especially if you put a cute pair of tights under it. I love wearing skirts with boots. I love a skirt so much, and I also love the length of this. I feel like mini skirts are really making a comeback right now, which, don't get me wrong, I think they're so cute, but for me, they just do not work because my ass is literally hanging out every time I wear a tiny little mini skirt, and I really love the length of this. I think this is super cute, and I feel like this will just go with so much. And then the other skirt that I got is also gray. This is what it looks like, and I feel like this is giving like schoolgirl vibes. I'm super into it. I feel like that's also making a comeback, is like more of a preppy style. I am so into like the Blair Waldorf vibe right now. That's kind of where I got most of my inspo for Paris going into it, was like Blair Waldorf outfits. And I feel like this is definitely something Blair or Serena would wear. I just think this is so cute, and I love that it's like a little more flared on the outside but cinched at the waist. That works really, really well for my body type. I love something that's super cinched at the waist because I have a smaller waist and then I'm very curvy. And I feel like skirts like this just give me that perfect like hourglass figure. So I'm really excited to wear this. Okay, the next item is actually a little set, and so it's these white linen shorts, and then it comes with this top, and it's actually a crop top. I'm pretty sure Emma McDonald wore this, or maybe it was part of her collab with Princess Polly. I feel like something like that. I could be totally wrong. I feel like I've seen her in something like this, and I love her style. I think she's so cute. So it's just the short sleeve crop top button down with a little collar, and then the shorts as well. And I love the little buttons right here. I think that it's super cute, and I love the attention to detail. I feel like this would be super cute during the daytime here in October because, like I said, it's a little warmer during the day and then it gets cooler at night. So this would be so cute for like, oh my god, if I wore this to brunch down in Venice or something, this would be such a vibe. And then shoe wise, I think I would put like tall socks with loafers or even Air Forces, or honestly you could probably do like a little bootie with this as well. I just love fall because it's an excuse to wear boots all the time, and I love boots so much. Anytime I can put a boot with an outfit, you will see me doing that this season. I also got some really cute boots from Princess Polly. I'll show you guys those here in a minute as well. Okay, next up is this black silk long sleeve button down. I think this is so pretty and so chic. I was wearing a lot of things like this over in Paris, but I wore it and then I put a belt to cinch my waist, and then I just wore this with combat boots, and it was so cute, really comfy and really casual and super easy. I feel like stuff like this is gonna be super in this fall with tights and boots. This is so soft and silky. Like, I wish you guys could feel this material. It's insane. I also love the way the buttons are. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but they're not like that classic button. They are this like silk rounded button, and they're just so chic. And then I also got this sweater, and it's a little bit more loose fitting. I feel like this would be really cute with jeans or cargo pants, honestly. It's a scoop neck. It's super light. It's really cute. It's a thin sweater. This is so perfect, and I feel like so versatile. It's also cropped, but it's not too short of a crop top. I like that it's a little bit longer. I feel like this is one of those pieces that I could wear to work and still look professional, but also I could wear for a night out. We love getting the most out of our money with things where you can wear to work, to school, to the club. Like, we love pieces where you can wear for absolutely any occasion because, like I said, we like getting the most out of our money for things. And then I got another sweater, and this one's actually kind of similar to the one that I just showed you, except this is more of a true sweater, a little thicker, a little heavier, but still really soft. The sleeves again are super cute because they're more of the flared, and I probably wouldn't wear something like this to work for that reason of like getting makeup and stuff all over myself, but I feel like this would be super cute for school, for running errands, for going out. Again, it's cropped, but this is definitely more of a longer crop. Like, you could literally tuck this into your jeans or your pants. That's how long this one is. It's super cute. I love the cream color. It's a little bit more of a cream than the top that I'm wearing right now. I feel like this one that I'm wearing is more of a true white. Just imagine this cute jeans, a belt, and boots. This is the perfect fall everyday fit. Moving on to shoes, I'm really excited about these. These are so freaking cute. They're almost like this crocodile print, and then I love that the heel kind of flares out and it's not just like your typical straight heel. I think it's kind of funky and cool. I think this color is so beautiful and will go with so much this fall and winter. It's cream, and also these are so comfortable. Like, I have a really hard time wearing heels because I always wear sneakers and I need to be comfortable, and I'm so scared that I'm gonna like twist an ankle or something since I don't wear them often. But I tried these on earlier and started walking around in them. They're so comfortable. It's very important to have a few like basic boots, a brown, a cream, and a black. And I also got a black pair. They're a little bit different. This is what the black pair looks like, and you guys, these are so cute. I feel like boots like this style right now are so on trend. You see every celebrity wearing boots like this right now. They have a little bit more of a platform here, and then again the heel is that same shape, kind of funky, fresh. I also love a tall boot. Like, a tall boot is definitely more my vibe, I feel like, than a short boot, but I do have wider calves, so it's really hard to find tall boots that work for me sometimes. And I was so nervous ordering these online because I feel like 98% of the time whenever I order tall boots, they never fit me, and I was so nervous, but I really wanted them to work because I thought they were so cute, and they did, and I could not be more excited about that because I'm telling you, girls with wider muscular calves, it is so hard. Like, I feel your struggle, I feel your pain, and I really appreciate when brands are a little bit more inclusive for things like that, because literally every time I go to the mall and I'm looking for tall boots, they're like not helpful, none of them fit, it's embarrassing, I want to cry, I hate it. It's really, really hard, so I really appreciate whenever brands are more inclusive like that. Oh, I just love these so much, so I'm really excited that they worked out. Okay, and then I have 2 more items left. I actually got these tights, and you can't really tell just from me holding them up right now, but they have a little bit of a design in them. They're more sheer. And I also love the material of these. I feel like it's really hard to find tights that are good quality and can like hold up through a lot. I'm like tugging on these, my nails going through, my acrylics not popping it whatsoever. I bought a pair of tights whenever I was in Paris, tried them on, and I couldn't even get them on without them breaking because my nails like popped a hole through them instantly. And these are very durable. They're super cute. I've talked about wearing tights with things so much in this video, so I'm super excited to try these, and I just love the design in them. I think they're super chic and cute and on trend. I feel like some tights with designs are just like super chuggy and not the vibe, but these are definitely the vibe. And then my last item that I got, I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not. I feel like I've never worn anything like this before, but I figured why not try something out, and if it doesn't work for me, it's not anything to do with Princess Polly, it's just like my style or whatever, but it's almost like this little corset that you would put over a top, so I could put this over the black long sleeve silk button down, and it goes like this, and it kind of like outlines your underboob, if that makes sense. And I don't know, I feel like I've seen a lot of celebrities wear stuff like this and it looks so cute on them, so I figured we'll give it a shot and try it and see if it works. And that is all of the pieces that I got from Princess Polly. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found some new style inspo, and like I said, if you want to shop any of the pieces shown in this video, be sure to check out the description down below. And honestly, even if you don't necessarily love the pieces that I picked out, you should still go check out the website, because I'm telling you, they have so many cute things that are on point, on trend, and just perfect for the upcoming season. Whenever you guys do shop and check out the website, make sure to use my code for 20% off. Again, it's Alexis O. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely let me know if you want to see more try-on hauls and stuff like this. I feel like I haven't really done anything like this on my YouTube channel at all, and this was really fun and exciting for me to switch it up a little bit. So comment down below what you think, and if you guys want to see me do more videos like this. And while you're there, be sure to comment down below what your favorite item that you saw me show in this video was. Also, thank you again so much to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I love you guys, and I will see you later.